Hey guys, got another unboxing today. So today we've got a bit of an alternative here to the Apple Pencil 1. So the first generation, this is the iPad 6th generation here, so it doesn't work with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, which is more for the iPad Air and iPad Pros. So this is a Laser brand. It is significantly cheaper than an Apple Pencil. This one is $69 from Big W in Australia at the moment. You can buy it straight from Laser's website. I think it's laser.com.au or something. But this is going to be very similar to the first generation pencil, but at a much cheaper price point. So it might suit more for kids going to school. If you're a bit worried about sending them to school with a $150 Apple Pencil, this is a much cheaper alternative. Now, it comes with quite a few good features. It's got palm rejection like the Apple Pencil does, which is something that a lot of other styluses can't seem to do well. So you can rest your hand on the iPad freely without leaving stray lines or pushing buttons or anything like that. It does magnetically attach to the iPad Pro 11-inch and 12.9-inch. I don't think it will charge like the Apple Pencil 2nd generation will for these two iPads here, but it will magnetically attach so you don't lose it. And it's got smart power on and off, so all you have to do is tap the top of the cap and the little light that's on the front will come on or off, depending on if you're turning it on or off. So it just lists those features there, and also fast charging and long standby. So this will give you up to 10 hours working time, which is pretty damn good. Inside you'll have the Active Stylus, a user manual, and a USB-C charging cable. So the USB-C charging cable will just plug into that port, USB-C port there, and charge up. It does list all your compatible iPads there. So you've got the 12.9-inch Pro, 2020 and 2018. You've got the 11-inch iPad Pro 2020 and 2018. You've got the 10.5-inch 3rd gen, which is the new iPad Air. Then you've got the iPad 7th gen, 6th gen, and 5th gen. Mini only for the 5th gen, so it doesn't work on the iPad 5th gen. So let's get this out of the box and test it out. Just need to break the seal down here, or just tear this box open. See if we can, doesn't want to come out from this end. There we go. Okay, so there's nothing else in that box, that's empty. Comes with a nice little box here. And so there's the pencil just there. And in this little accessory box, you have your user manual and very short, but not too bad, USB-C to USB-A cable. So you can just plug that straight into the Apple charger that you charge your iPad with, or whatever you charge that with. So let's get this out. It looks and feels very much like the Apple Pencil 2nd gen. So I've got the Apple Pencil 2nd gen for my iPad Pro. This looks like a sticker just here. Oh, there's the website just there if you wanted to get it off straight from Laser's website. So it's www.laserco.com.au. So we'll just whack this sticker off because it doesn't look very nice. Get rid of that. And leave some sticky residue on there. We'll get rid of that later. So it looks like you can just tap that on there. So I'm not sure what blue means. Let's just have a look at the user manual. So you power it on, touch the end of the stylus to turn it on. The LED indicator will turn solid blue when the stylus is active. Power off, touch the end when you want to turn the stylus off. The stylus will also automatically turn off by itself after 20 minutes of inactivity. So that's good, so it won't just sit there going flat. The LED indicator will be off when the stylus is off. So for charging, use the provided USB-C cable to charge the stylus. The LED indicator will be a solid red color while charging. Once fully charged, the LED indicator will turn off. So that's pretty simple. And then it's got a little spiel about the magnetic attachment there that it can magnetically attach to the iPad 12.9-inch 3rd and 4th gen and the iPad 11-inch 1st and 2nd gen. So it just lists all your compatible models there. Gives you a little bit about the pen tip replacement there, so you can just unscrew the tip counterclockwise to extract and clockwise to secure. It's pretty basic. So right now this is active, so let's get this iPad 6th gen here and see if we can get this to work. Oh, it's just turned off. So we'll just go into notes. And there you go. So let's test out the palm rejection. So if I rest my palm on there, it still works perfectly fine. You can adjust the thickness of the line that you want. You can tap on any colors. The eraser works well. So that's on object eraser at the moment. So pixel eraser would make that just work on individual pixels when you rub the pencil over it. So that's handy. Or you can go to object eraser and just erases each object at the same time. So that's quite good. Let's see how it works with the highlighter. The only thing I would say is that I don't think it has pressure sensitivity like the proper Apple Pencil, but for that price point, it's not really something I'm too worried about. So you can also use this pencil for anything on the screen. You can just go into, you can click basically anything you want on your screen. So you can even go into Safari and you can click on anything on your screen. Basically, you can use this just like the Apple Pencil. So that's pretty handy. But yeah, you can see that that works quite well, and for $69, it's a pretty damn good price point for a stylus that works extremely accurately. And it's got that palm rejection as well, so it will still let you, if you wish to use your finger, it'll still work, or you can just go straight to the pencil again. So yeah, that's the Laser Active Stylus for the iPad. Hope you guys enjoyed that video and helped anyone that's looking at this stylus. Hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.